Unbelievable. He's supposed to be cremated tomorrow. They better give me my deposit back. Has this ever happened before?
I really don't know.
Well, he looks good.
He's brain dead.
Right.
This is so hard. What about his will?
Well, wills are for dead people. And seeing as how he didn't die, as we were assured he was going to, his will is not in effect.
Meaning, I get nothing? You motherfucker.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Maybe we should talk about this out in the hallway.
Why? He can't hear. He can't see. And for the first time in his life, he can't talk. But you're still in control, aren't you? Some people never change. I want a divorce.